Apple WWDC 2024, Apple Intelligence brings every new AI feature for iPhone, Mac. During the inaugural day of its Worldwide Developers Conference, the iPhone maker has announced Apple Intelligence, bundling up all of the AI features for their iPhone, Mac, and more. Such a comprehensive AI suite is coming from a company which once refused to even use the term artificial intelligence when talking about its machine learning features. With AI enhancements spread across its entire flagship product lineups, the company was earlier lagging behind its rivals such as Google and Microsoft, who ventured in this domain to outrun their own generative AI features before OpenAI set a new trend in the realm of AI in 2022 with its ChatGPT. Apple Intelligence, Apple claims, will execute actions ranging from one tap simple to those requiring extensive programming inside apps, stating that its AI features will do wonders on your behalf within apps. Apple says Apple Intelligence will be able to manage your notifications and help in written stuff, such as summarizing text and emails and other apps. The AI-centric platform would also carry out referrals, like requesting one app to execute an action in another. This may include asking an app to play a podcast someone suggested you on WhatsApp. Following in the footsteps of the rest of Apple services, this too doesn't go without a privacy tooth. Note that Apple said that AI features will be processed on device to keep information private. But there's a catch. This privacy protection will only be extended to those devices running on A17 Pro or M series chip. Its semantic index will extract personal details when they're required and send them across apps.